Hello, this is Jammal Baba. Today is January 30th, 2024. I'm tackling another small cut of Lefty Salami Balogun music. Full name Salami Alabi Balogun, aka Lefty, because he's a left-handed drummer. He was one of the best Sakara string player. Mono, or the actual Goje string. He was good at. He was really good. He's not just a good drummer. He's very versatile in terms of musical instrument. But this was his band. After Abibulwa died, this was the band he went with. I think some of the guys from Abibulwa went with him, and some went with Idowu. When they had a fall, right after Abib died, there was tussle on who's going to take the band, the leadership of the band from that point on. So, but Lefty won hands down when the elders had a competition for both of them at Italeko. So he ended up with some members of the Abibulwa's band, but he is good in his own right. His lead drummer is Akanmu. So let's do this. This second song is Ajetunmobi. Ajetunmobi. Go with the lyrics first. Ẹni ní í ṣe ni Ajetunmọbi, ẹni ní í ṣe ni ẹbí tí ó pa ìrà ká má ṣe dágunlá. Ẹni ní í ṣe ni ẹbí tí ó pa ìrà ant, ẹbí tí snare. I'm having more local, they use it to catch animals. So it's a snare. They set up a snare, animal run trigger it, closing on the animal's leg. The animal can go till the hunter comes and pick it. But EBT only Era, because Era is too small. In fact, Era loves EBT because if the snare catches an animal and die there, and takes longer for the hunter to get to it and to benefit from that. But pretty much they're saying a snare is not applicable, it's not a threat to an ant. It is people that know you that can really do you in. An outsider can't do you in. Ebiti Okwaira. Ara ile ẹni ní í ṣe ni. Ajetunmọbi yaya kalara. Gbẹ ìyá súnà ní Ìjẹ̀bú Òde. Ọkọ Latifatu mi o. Ọkọ Ìdòwú Mọ́ndíà mi. Bàbá Taofiki mi. Bàbá Oyindamọ́lá. Bàbá Ajetunmọbi Rashidi mi. Àbúrò Abudu tí ò sí. Ajetunmọbi oníkì òwọ́n. Ó ní ẹni àkí kó tara kí ni sí nǹkan. Yoruba, they walk when they are running their errands. They could walk like 5 blocks, 10 blocks, whatever blocks. As they go in, they see people they know. And they're like, Adio, báwo ni o, ṣé dáadáa ni, ṣé o ń gbúrò màmí? Going again. Adio, báwo ni? Some will even give you a nickname. I'll be going on an errand with my brother. In one block, there'll be like at least, it could be about 6 people without greeting. Amubab. You show Guru Jammal. And I'm behind him. Then he'll turn and say, Jammal, Jammal. We're going again. Amubab. Amubab. So, Yoruba is up with Onikio. There are several people that are going to say hello to you. They're going to say hi to you. So, Enyaki Kotarakini. So, the person you say hello to should be warmly receptive to it. Because if they're not, there are a bunch of people that along the way that can't wait to say hi to you. So, Onikio. Ẹni akíkó ara kíni. Sorry. Ìgbà ni wọ́n fi ń jẹra wọn. Ẹgbẹ̀rún òtòṣì tí ń yan lọ́rọ̀ lólè. Ebi ni wọ́n ń dá para wọn. Ayé mojúbà fágbà. Ayé mi kó lè sàn mí. I respect the elders. Kí má kàgbákò ayé. Ọmọ kékeré tí ó bọ̀wọ̀ fágbà. Alájọbí ní ọjọ́ kú ẹ̀ ló gé kù. But not really just the age-wise. But your prosperity is socket is his or her growth. Ọmọ kékeré tí ó bọ̀wọ̀ fágbà. So in this lyric, mojúbà fágbà. Kílé ayé mi lè sàn mí. Kílé ayé ẹ lè sàn ẹ́. So that you won't get short circuit. Ajetunji. Yaya. Olóyè. Ya Sunna. Okay, èyí tá ò lè gùn ajé ní gbọ́mọdé bẹ̀ o. Èyí tá ò lè gùn ajé ní gbọ́mọdé bẹ̀ o. I'll give you guys another secret. I know some of you Sakara enthusiasts that are familiar with Sakara. You've heard that line from other artists too. Okay, tá ò lè gùn o ajé ní gbọ́mọdé bẹ̀ o. Anytime you hear Lefty sing a song or lyrics line that other artists have sang, put your money on it. It was a Bible recycle. Lefty wasn't recycling from other artists. So don't say, oh, Lagbaja to sang that line. Boya Lefty got it from that line. He did not. It just meant they all was fetching their water from Abib's well. So anytime you run into a sweet lyrics that Lefty sang and other artists have other sacred artists have sang it. Almost. Ọ̀dọ̀ Abíbùlọ́ ti bù. Inú kànga Abíbùlọ́ ti fà omi yẹn. So now we need to go back and do the drum. Okay, let's go. This is the drum beat for the Ajetunmọbi. Ẹni ní ṣe ni ẹ̀bi tí ó pa èèrà. The drum beat is ẹni ní ṣe ni, because that's the Yoruba proverb. Ẹni. It's the same. It just means ẹni tó mọ ni ló ń ṣe ni, or ara ilé ẹni ló ń ṣe ni. Ẹni ló ń is someone that really knows you well, that's real close to you, that can mess you up, that can really betray you. It took someone like Judas Zachariah to betray the great prophet Jesus. Is that outsiders, they don't really know all your in and out. So ẹni ló ń ṣe ni. Ká ṣe pẹ̀lẹ́pẹ̀lẹ́. Ẹni ní ṣe ni. Màá fà sẹ́yìn díẹ̀ a bit. Ká ṣe pẹ̀lẹ́pẹ̀lẹ́. Ẹni ní ṣe ni. Ẹni tí ó pa èèrà máa jẹ́ ká. Ó dìgbà náà ẹkùn ká tó pọ̀ mọ́ bà fọ́ṣùn. Ó dìgbà dé ẹkùn. Rárá dàdé ẹkùn ká. Ó dìgbà dé ẹkùn ká tó gbọ́ mọ́ bà fọ́ṣùn. Ó dìgbà dé ẹkùn. Ilé Ìjẹ̀bú-Ilé. What? Ire gbogbo mo yàn, ire gbogbo mo yàn, ire gbogbo mo yàn. Máa fà sẹ́yìn díẹ̀ for you guys to hear. Ire gbogbo mo yàn. Bí ìgbín bá fẹnu kan yọ̀, a kú. Ajetunmọbi, a kú. Tí ìgbín bá fẹnu bọ iyọ̀, a kú. If the snake is going on his slow way and he put his mouth in the salt, it shall die. Because a snail doesn't have antidote to salt. Lásán, ó gbá kùrùkùrù. Lásán, kìíní kan kò ní ṣe. Ajetunmọbi kò ní ṣe. Dodo góńgóló gbàngbàngbà. Ajetunmọbi, ire gbogbo tó mi ṣojú ẹni bẹ́ẹ̀ mi gùn, bẹ́ẹ̀ mi kọ̀ tí ò bọ́. Ire gbogbo tó mi ṣojú ẹni bẹ́ẹ̀ mi gùn. Ire gbogbo tó mi ṣojú ẹni bẹ́ẹ̀ mi gùn, bẹ́ẹ̀ mi kọ̀ tí ò bọ́. Ire gbogbo tó mi ṣojú ẹni bẹ́ẹ̀ mi gùn. Ìyá tún gbọ́. Ire gbogbo tó mi ṣojú ẹni bẹ́ẹ̀ mi gùn. lè ẹ má fàgbàlagbà ṣe yẹ̀yẹ́ ọmọ kékeré ẹ má fàgbàlagbà ṣe yẹ̀yẹ́ o. Òkè o òkè o òkè o èyí tá ò lè ẹ má fàgbàlagbà ṣe yẹ̀yẹ́ ọmọ kékeré ẹ má fàgbàlagbà ṣe yẹ̀yẹ́. Ọmọ kékeré ẹ má fàgbàlagbà ṣe yẹ̀yẹ́. Yoruba, that's Yoruba for you. Òkè o òkè o ìta ò léegun o ajé ní gbọ́mọdé bẹ́ẹ̀ o. Ẹ má fàgbàlagbà ṣe yẹ̀yẹ́ ọmọ kékeré ire gbogbo tó mi ṣojú ẹni bẹ́ẹ̀ mi gùn bẹ́ẹ̀ mi kọ̀ tí yóò bọ́ ire gbogbo ló máa ṣojú ẹni. Ire gbogbo, all good blessings, you shall witness it. As long as you have longevity of life, you will be able to witness all the great blessings. Tẹ́mi kọ̀ tí ò bọ̀ ire ire ló mi ṣojú ẹni. But don't forget, I told you guys, don't get locked into just roll with it. The more you roll with it, the more you develop your muscle memory. Àkú bí ìgbín bá fẹnu kan yọ̀ àkú. And then the opening drum was. Ṣe ni ẹ̀bì tí ó pẹ́ ra jẹ́ àṣẹ pẹ̀lẹ́pẹ̀lẹ́ ẹni ní ṣe ni. So what I tend to do is I tend to pick up the messages from the lyrics or the drum and I try and apply it to my daily life, daily living. Ẹni ní ṣe ni ẹ̀bì tí ó pẹ́ ra. Ẹ jẹ́ ká ṣe pẹ̀lẹ́pẹ̀lẹ́. Sometimes they are in bogiri olanu alangba ò lè ráyè wògiri. Meaning if you don't already did something bad, then people can blackmail you. So just pick one or two things that you hear from the lyrics, apply it to your life positively, and you will enjoy life. But I'm not anybody shy that because really, you cannot let it. And you don't want to have to reap the germination of Ika seed that you planted. So Allah my Jabawa Shaida. Guys, remain blessed. Leave comments. If it's about lyrics or the drum beat, leave comment. I read them. Stay blessed.